for joining me on today's Take Two, where we're going to talk about all of the things that you should be doing right now. Many of you are at home right now, and if you're not, I hope you're doing your best to social distance. And in being at home, you may feel like you should be taking advantage of the quiet time to get things done, right? Well, our Take Two on this idea is that all of those should-haves are just going to make you unhappy in the long run. Sometimes we think about things in such a way that causes us to view reality inaccurately, and oftentimes negatively. These thoughts, which we call cognitive distortions, can underlie the depression that many people develop, as they may contribute to the individual having an overall negative outlook on the world. Now, there are many different types of cognitive distortions. You may have even heard of some of them, like catastrophizing, all or nothing thinking, and disqualifying the positive. But how is making a should statement a cognitive distortion? Isn't it important to have goals and to be thinking about all of the things that you should be doing? Well, yes, that is all important, but only to a point. Should statements can generate a lot of unnecessary pressure, especially when your behavior falls short of some arbitrary standards that you've set for yourself. For example, you may be thinking to yourself that you should be more productive. And so every day you set your alarm for 6 a.m. with the intention of getting up early and doing something productive. And every day you hit snooze, and then you hit snooze again, and then one more time. When you finally get out of bed, you are frustrated, ashamed, and annoyed that you just can't get out of bed and be productive like you should be. Now, there are a few different ways that you can approach combating this cognitive distortion. You can ask yourself, who says I should be doing this? This can help to make you become more aware that you are possibly being too self-critical. You can also substitute the word should with something that has less judgment attached to it. For example, you could say, I wish I could be more productive, or it would be nice if I could be more productive. Or you can ask yourself, why should I do this? This may help you to look at what evidence exists that you should be doing something, and may also help you to identify that there's no evidence at all that you should be doing that thing. So while your first take on this topic may have been that there's so much that you should be doing right now, our take two is to be mindful of the pressure you're putting on yourself with all of those shoulds.